In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on the Gemini Deep Research tool. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To start using Gemini Deep Research, you will need to be on the 2.5 Flash model of Gemini. Then you need to select Deep Research on the prompt box at the bottom. It will then highlight blue when activated. You can now enter your prompt, so I'm going to type: research the future of electric vehicles over the next 5 to 10 years. What are the key trends in technology, infrastructure, government policy, and consumer adoption globally? Include projections, top companies to watch, challenges to growth, and regional differences. Then I'm going to hit enter. Gemini will now list out a plan that it is going to take to provide a report for your request. We can read through this, and if we click the edit plan button at the bottom, it will write the plan out again, and we can use prompts to edit this. As I don't want to edit this, I'm going to type good to go. It will now start creating the report. On the right, we can see all the steps Gemini is going through and what it is doing. At the top, if we change the tab to sites browsed, it will list out all the websites it has used so far in its research process. If we click on any of these, it will take us straight to the website. On the left, it will show the progress it has made and how long we have till the report has been generated. I'll be back once this is complete. Gemini has now generated an in-depth, highly detailed report based on our initial prompt. If we take a look at the bottom, we can see a list of all the websites it has used. Underneath that is thoughts, which are all the steps Gemini has gone through to generate this report. If we click the export button at the top, we have the option to export this report into Google Docs. If we click this, it will open Docs in a new tab with the report in a formatted manner. At the bottom of the document are all the citations for the report. Going back to Gemini, next to export is create. If we click this, we have the option for Gemini to turn this report into a web page, infographic, quiz, or audio review. I'm going to select web page. Within seconds, Gemini has turned our report into a fully functional website, which includes diagrams and multiple pages. If we switch to the code tab at the top, it will show us all the code that was used to create this website. That's all we have for this video on the Gemini Deep Research feature. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.